All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1, and we are going to ask you a number of different questions. So,
Do you often use maps?
Yes, of course. I often use map whenever I travel in different cities.
whenever I travel to different
To
cities,
different cities, when I mostly use on our mobile phone map because it's make me a
It makes me.
it gives me
It gives me.
it gives me a direction to our destination.
To my
To
destination.
to my destination. Your answer question, I mostly use maps.
Good.
Who taught you how to use a map?
Well, recently the social media taught me to using the map because
To use the map.
to use the map because it's depend on
It depends on. It depends.
it depends on the situations. When we stuck in this situation, then we use map.
Yeah, if we are stuck anywhere, then we use the map.
Use the map.
So to answer basically question is who taught you? So you can say I learned it by myself. Nobody taught me. I learned it
Yes.
by myself. I installed Google Maps here and then I used it a couple of times and this is how I became good at that. So to answer your question, no one ever taught me how to use the map. I learned it all by myself. Right? One more.
Do you prefer digital maps or
Paper maps.
Paper maps.
Well, I mostly prefer to use digital map because I have our own cell phones.
I have my own cell phone.
My cell phone on my pocket. Then whenever I need to need directions, then I mostly use our own cell phone.
Then I mostly use my own cell phone,
my
not
own-
our and
my own
yeah.
cell phone.
Okay, so try to focus grammar. Answer should be direct to the point and connect your ideas. And for each answer, try to come up with different ideas. Right? Yes, thank you.